Welcome back to Login Helps. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to log into Jared credit card account. Watch the video till the end in order to learn how, and subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Start by opening up a web browser. In the search box at the top, type in Jared credit card login and press enter. On the next page, the search results will appear according to your search. Click on this Manager Account link at the top and you'll end up in the login area. Go ahead and enter your username in the first text field that you see, and then head over to the password field and type in your password correct. Double check your password by clicking on this little show link at the right hand side. You can also click on this little eye icon. In case you don't remember your username or your password, you can click on this forgot username/password link and follow the instructions to look for your username or to reset your password to a new one. If you've not enrolled into Online Access yet, click on this Reset for Online Access link and follow. If you'd like the system to remember your username and your password in this particular device, check this box that says Remember Me. But if you're using a public computer or a shared mobile device of your friends or anyone else's, you'll need to uncheck this box and leave it unchecked before clicking on the Sign In button. After you type in your information correct and click the Sign In button, you'll be logged into your Jared credit card account. Quick and easy. With your credit card account, you'll be able to review your account balances, make payments, monitor recent transactions, or simply view your monthly statements. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. We'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.